Back in October, the good folks at NewAir Appliances contacted me and asked me if I'd like to try out one of their portable ceramic 120 volt electric garage heaters. And I thought, well, nobody likes a cold garage, so sure, I'll try one. But they sent me one, and it's been sitting out here in the garage. I haven't even opened it, and we still had a really mild winter. But I think if you look at the thermometer back here, it's about 44 degrees in here right now. It's a little chilly. So I think winter has finally arrived in McDonough, Georgia. So I'm going to open this up. We'll take a look at it, and I'm going to plug it in and see if I can knock the chill off out here in the garage. This thing says it will heat up to 160 square feet. It's 1500 watts. It's got an adjustable temperature control with 2 heat settings. Sturdy heavy-duty construction, and as you can see, it looks like it swivels. So let's open it up and take a look. Yeah, I already like the looks of this thing. It's looks like it's very well made. It's got a little swivel stand. Like I said, it's a ceramic heater. It's got a temperature control with some different power settings, looks like. So yeah, let's plug this thing up and check it out. It is like I said, it's currently about 44 degrees in here, so I'm just going to set it down on the floor and plug it in and let it run. I've got the garage door closed, so I'm going to keep everything closed up, and we'll see how well this thing knocks the temperature a little bit. So stay tuned. Okay, I've had the NewAir heater running out here for about 3 hours. And according to my thermometer back there, it has raised the temperature about 10 degrees. So I know that's not a huge amount, but 2 things I'd like to mention is, one, I live in the Atlanta area, and down south here they don't put any insulation into the outside walls on garages. At least they didn't on mine, so it's not very well insulated. The other thing I'd also like to mention is this heater says it will heat up to 160 square feet. Well, my garage is about 22 by 20, so that's well over 400 feet. So this thing is really trying to heat, something 2 or 3 times bigger than what it really should. And I wasn't expecting to come out here and having it 80 degrees or something like that. I was just wanting to see if it would knock the chill off, and I can tell you that it's a whole lot more comfortable working 54 degrees in your shop than it is at 44, which is what it was when we started. And also, according to my phone, it is still 39 degrees outside, and it's windy, so I think it did a pretty good job. Okay, so if you'd like to check out this portable ceramic 120 volt electric garage heater, I'll have a link in the description down below to their website, so you can go check them out. They also have lots of other great products that I've noticed when I visited their website. They have drink coolers and a lot of things that might be pretty handy in a person's shop. So check those out as well. So anyway, this is my review for the NewAir portable ceramic 120 volt electric garage heater. It's like I said, a solidly built unit, and did a pretty good job considering the size of this garage out here. So check it out, and I thank y'all very much for watching.